Have your apps disappeared, gone missing from the home screen, or suddenly vanished after the iOS 27 update? Don't panic, here are the most effective fixes to get your missing apps back. First, check your screen time settings. Open Settings, go to Screen Time, then tap Apps and Websites, and under Restriction, make sure the age rating is set to 18 plus. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure it's turned off. Sometimes these settings can hide certain apps after an iOS update. Now perform a force restart. Just quickly press and release the volume up buttons, then volume down buttons, then press and hold the side buttons until you see the Apple logo appears. This refreshes actually the iOS and can bring back missing app icons after an update. Next, check the Apple library. Switch to the last home screen page and search for the missing app. If you find it, just press and hold the app icon, then back it to the home screen. And from your app library, scroll to the bottom and open the hidden folder, unlock it with your Face ID or passcode. If the app is here, just press and hold it, tap Don't Require Face ID, and then add it back to your home screen. So if your apps are scattered or hard to find, you can reset your home screen layout. Just open Settings, go to General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset here and choose Reset Home Screen Layout. This won't delete your apps or personal data, it simply restores the default home screen layout. And finally, swipe down on the home screen and use search to look for the missing apps. You can also search for it in the App Store, and if it says Get or shows a cloud download icon, you will need to download it again. So this is all for here. Hopefully one of the solutions brought your missing apps back. Let me know which one worked for you. Thanks for your time.